Back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset your password of Is Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Is application on a device. Now, you can see Forget Password option at the bottom of your screen. Click on it. Here, you need to type in the recovery token for your account. After that, click on Submit button. Now, type in the username of your account. After typing in, click on Submit button. Here, you need to type in the recovery question answers. After answering all the questions, click on Submit button. After that, you can see that your recovery has been successful. You now need to change your password and PIN. Here, type in the password for the account and confirm it once again by typing the same password here. Now click on Done. Click on OK. Here, change your PIN. After typing in your new PIN, click on Done button. After that, click on OK. So that is how you can reset your password and PIN of your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.